Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Chance bringing it again with another motherfucking reaction. Today we got Melvin Timtim. Looking at but I see Sean Lou in the mix. So hopefully it's gonna be a good vid. Is that Bailey? That's gotta be Bailey. That's most likely Bailey. With the pink hair, you know what I'm saying? No Casey. Surprising. But without no further ado, let's get straight into this reaction. Is the camera too close? I think the camera a little bit too close. You gotta do that. Let me do that. Okay. Let's get straight to this reaction. Hold up. I expected some fire shit, but this shit is too fire, bro. The choreography going crazy. Off rip at the beginning. And they even get lit yet. They haven't even got it lit yet. Choreography already going crazy. Bailey and Sean on the outside, which is gonna make me hard to track both of them. They the main predecessors. They're the main predecessors in this video for me. Yeah. Oh. Bro, y'all didn't get the last video to the 30 likes I wanted, so I can make me my little own choreography, but that's alright. Y'all ain't want to see it, so I ain't gonna make it. Trust. Oh. And they did that rich homie Quan. Walked in the body, girls, and let me in the thing like, ooh. Hey, $8 on your bitch, you wanna love me? Got me screaming like, ooh. I seen that. What? What? Bro, I see you, Bailey. I see you. You not going unseen. Sean, you can do a little bit better, but you doing your thing still. But Bailey, I see you. You know what I'm saying? What? This is a little chill dance. You know what I'm saying? This is a little chill choreography. It's a chill song. Do they have an actual DJ? It sounds like it's actual DJ in there. Like he ad-libbing every. Okay, Bailey, this you. What? What? Talk your shit. Talk your shit. Who next? Okay, homie ain't too. Hold on, I got this rusty ass chair. So if y'all hear this a bunch of times, it's not my fault. I need to get an actual chair, by the way. Share my videos. That's how I'm gonna get there. But look, homie ain't doing too much. He ain't too energetic. You know what I'm saying? He just vibing. That little walk in that he did, that was a vibe. You know what I'm saying? Not too energetic, not too hype, just right. What you want? What you want? Where is the DJ, bruh? They look like they in a party, bruh. She was not ready, Sean. She was not ready, Sean. Why you do that? Obviously, she wasn't prepared to go in at that time, and that was your cue to not do that. Like for you to go. That was your cue, Sean. That was literally your cue. She was not prepared. She had no material. What? Huh? Oh, but she improvising though. She's improvising though. What? Wait. Huh? Huh? What? Who next? Sean. There you go. There you go. She was done. I like this style of shit. Look at the beginning. Oh, at the beginning, Sean was not doing all that. He was not doing all that. I see why now. I see why. He was saving for his part. He was saving for his little solo, cause he knew once he go solo, he finna kill it. What? 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 Huh? What? Oh, what? What? Oh, I didn't even notice it at first. I didn't even notice it at first. When you see our foe, it's Mount Westmore. Hello. Yes, sir. That was good. That was good. Little duo. Okay, so I gotta wait for Bailey part. Or did Bailey? Yeah, I gotta wait for Bailey part. I ain't missing that. Look at Bailey. Who is this? E30? Sound like E30. Ugh. Okay. See, both of these guys right here, they bring their own little spice to the little duo. Yeah. But I like the way that nigga wear his jacket. I ain't gonna hold you. I used to wear my jackets like that. I don't know what happened. I used to fuck with my jackets too. Hey. And they all okay. I like the way they doing this. I like the way they doing this. Look at you. Like that. What you doing that for? Oh, hit the Bobby Schmurter. That's fucking ad. That dude hit the Bobby Schmurter. He was smirking at you, right? He was.
All you have to do is follow my voice. Stay here in this life.
What? Who is that? She kind of like Corey LeRae in a way. She got some big ass hoops. What I tell y'all? What do I do? What do I do when groups like this get together? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Tell me. What the fuck is that on my jacket? Y'all see this shit? Might be some paint or something. But what do I do though? What do I do? What do I do? Please tell me what I do. Somebody please tell me. I try to find who fuck up. And they gonna put the... Why you have to be the one? Somebody please tell me why she had to be the one. You're in the front, ma'am. Get it together. Get it together. Get it together. What happened? People gather around me like an ice cream truck. No cap. People always ask me what I Okay, it look like she. It look like she got it back together. Look like she know what she doing now. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah, she got it together now. Now she acting like Corey LeRae for real. Twerking ain't gonna save you every time, man. Twerking is not gonna save you every single time. Trust. Get some new material. Okay, maybe this one time. Maybe this one time. Maybe this one time. Maybe that one time. Maybe that one time. Right, my brother? I see you. Show him. Show him. Show him. Show him. What? 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 Oh! What? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Yeah. You hear him? You hear him? What? Party over. Hey. Bro, let them know. Let them know. Bro, I like when, oh, I like that. I love that. What? Yeah. Bro, this song gotta be made by E30. Who finna fuck up though? Who finna fuck up? And dude in the back, you're not a part of this. Ooh. What? Hey. It's a party. Bro, I like how calm dude is, but like okay. So he the solo. What you finna do? Oh. What? Bro, they keep on hitting this rich homie. Rich homie Quan, my nigga, not. What would you do for the paper? Look at him. What? He too calm for a solo, bro. I would be lit. Okay. They did that. Okay. Alright, you guys in the comments, let me know what they do in this one. I'ma just try to see if I can find Bailey part. If they do anything notable, let me know, but this is too many people. I can't even track who fuck up. Still too many. Wow, they got the whole studio in this one. What? Bailey. Let me go back. Alright, I'm gonna try to focus on Bailey because she ain't, I don't think she really got a proper solo. Damn. I gotta cover the other people. Yeah. Talk that shit. What? Okay, bro. Talk yo. Hey, you see how Bailey be moving her spine, nigga? Like, what? I like how she separated herself too. Just a little bit. I don't even think she's gonna get a proper solo in this one. It's a what? Hell nah, what the fuck? Hell nah, I know, I see you, Bailey. I see you. But with that being said, god damn, it was too many people at the end. I hope you guys liked the video. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Do the most. Share it with your family, friends, pets, all that good stuff you already know. That's your boy, it's Ghost. I got to hurry up and do this intro, outro because my camera's finna turn off if I'm not mistaken, but I'm gonna do it anyway. No faking.